Stop right there. Before you turn on those wipers again, watch this. That greasy, foggy rainbow film on your windshield, the one your wipers just smear around and make worse, I'm going to destroy it permanently today. Not for $20, not for $10, for exactly $1. One. And here's the part that's going to make you angry. This solution has existed since 1962. 62? Your grandfather could have been using this, but the auto glass industry, the wiper blade companies, the car wash chains, they buried it. Because a driver who never needs wipers is a driver who never buys wiper blades. Think about that. The average American spends $40 to $80 per year just on wiper blades. Multiply that by millions of drivers. That's a billion-dollar industry built entirely on your foggy windshield. But today, that ends. I'm Professor ChemLab, and in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact $1 liquid that makes water, rain, fog, and road film slide right off your glass like it's coated in liquid magic. No wipers, no scraping, no expensive products, just pure chemistry that Big Auto prayed you'd never find out about. Stay with me, because the results I'm about to show you are genuinely shocking. Let's go back to 1962. A chemical engineer named Harold Bibby, working at a small industrial coatings lab in Cincinnati, Ohio, was experimenting with hydrophobic compounds for aircraft cockpit glass. Military jets were having visibility problems in rain at high altitude. Standard glass wipers don't work at 500 miles per hour. So they needed something that made water leave the glass on its own. What Harold discovered was a naturally occurring compound that, when applied in a specific diluted formula, created a near-invisible molecular bond on glass surfaces. Water didn't just run off, it beaded and flew off, even at idle, even in fog. The military classified it. Then, in the late 1960s, a version of this technology leaked into civilian automotive testing. Car manufacturers got very excited, and then very quiet. Because when their marketing teams ran the numbers, they realized something devastating to their parts business. If your windshield repels water permanently, you don't need premium wipers. You don't need de-icer spray. You don't need anti-fog coating kits sold at the dealership for $39.99. The reports were shelved, the engineers were moved to other projects, and the formula drifted into obscurity, used quietly by aerospace maintenance crews, marine glass techs, and a handful of chemistry professors who still teach it in labs. Until the internet. Because now you can buy every single ingredient at a dollar store or grocery store for under $2 total. And I'm going to give you every single step today. Let's talk about what you actually need. Here's the beautiful part. You need almost nothing. Write these down. Number 1, white distilled vinegar. Plain white vinegar. You can get a full bottle at any dollar store, grocery store, or Walmart for $1 or less. This is your primary cleaning and surface prep agent. Number 2, rubbing alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, 70% or 91%, either works. A small bottle costs about $1 at the dollar store. This is your degreaser and molecular primer. Number 3, cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch. The cooking powder in your kitchen right now, a box costs about $1 and you only need 2 teaspoons. This is the secret ingredient, the one Harold's formula was built around. Number 4, a spray bottle. Any small spray bottle. You probably already have one, if not, $1 at the dollar store. Number 5, 2 clean microfiber cloths, or an old cotton t-shirt. That's it. Total cost. $1 to $3 depending on what you already have at home. No special equipment, no lab chemicals, no Amazon orders. Everything available right now within 5 minutes of your home. Let's talk about why this works before we mix it, because once you understand the science, you'll never look at your windshield the same way again. Now, I know some of you are thinking, vinegar and cornstarch, that sounds like a salad dressing, not a windshield treatment. Stay with me here, because this is where it gets fascinating. Your windshield film is not just dirt. It's a combination of 4 things bonded together at a microscopic level. Road grease and exhaust particulates, calcium and mineral deposits from rain and hard water, silicon dioxide, basically fine glass dust from road debris, and oily residue from your windshield washer fluid and wiper blades themselves. These 4 things combine into a stubborn hydrophilic layer. Hydrophilic means it attracts water, so water doesn't run off. It clings, spreads, and creates that horrible glare. Now, here's what our formula does. White vinegar is acetic acid. It's mildly acidic, around pH 2.5. That acidic pH breaks the ionic bonds holding mineral deposits and calcium to the glass surface. It dissolves the hard water scale and road film chemically, not mechanically. No scrubbing. The acetic acid is doing the work at the molecular level. Now add the isopropyl alcohol. Alcohol is a fantastic degreaser. It cuts through the oily layer, the exhaust residue, the wiper fluid film, and it evaporates completely without leaving residue. This is why alcohol is used in professional glass cleaning in labs and optical equipment. It leaves absolutely nothing behind. The glass surface is now chemically clean, but here's where the cornstarch comes in, and this is the part that will blow your mind. Cornstarch contains long-chain polysaccharide molecules. When dissolved and applied to glass, these molecules fill in the microscopic pores and imperfections on the glass surface. Glass looks smooth to your eye, but under a microscope, it's covered in tiny valleys and peaks. Those valleys are where water and film build up and cling. The cornstarch molecules settle into those valleys and create a microscopically smooth, slightly hydrophobic surface. Water can no longer grip the glass. It beads, it rolls. At highway speeds, it completely clears without wipers. Even in light rain, you'll watch the drops bounce and fly off like the glass is hot. And because those polysaccharide bonds are durable, the effect lasts for months. Not days, months. Can you believe this is sitting in your kitchen right now? Okay, let's make the formula and put it on a real windshield. Before I start, look at this windshield. Look at that film. That greasy haze, that's a car parked outside every day, driven in normal city traffic for about 6 weeks since its last wash. You can see the wiper smear lines right there in the middle. That milky, grimy coating across the entire surface. This is what millions of drivers look through every single day, and we're about to eliminate it permanently. Let's go. Step 1, mix your formula. Grab your spray bottle. Pour in half a cup of white distilled vinegar. Then add a quarter cup of isopropyl alcohol. Now measure out exactly 2 level teaspoons of cornstarch. Pour the cornstarch directly into the bottle. Seal the bottle and shake it for about 30 seconds. You'll notice the liquid turns slightly milky. That's the cornstarch dispersing. That's exactly what you want. Give it one more good shake before every application. Your formula is ready. That's it. That took 90 seconds. Step 2. Prep the windshield surface. This step is important. Don't skip it. Before applying the formula, you need the glass to be at a normal temperature. Don't do this in direct blazing sunlight if the glass is scorching hot. Early morning or shaded area is ideal. Also make sure the glass is dry. If it rained recently, wipe off the surface water with a dry cloth first. We want the formula to bond to the glass, not dilute in leftover water. Step 3. First application, the deep clean phase. Spray the formula generously across the entire windshield. Don't be shy. Give it a good even coat. Look at that. Watch how it interacts with the film immediately. See those dark streaks where the formula is already lifting the grease? That's the acetic acid going to work on contact. Now take your first microfiber cloth and begin wiping in circular motions. Apply medium pressure. You're not scrubbing hard. The chemistry is doing the work. You're just moving the dissolved residue off the surface. Work from the top of the windshield down, left to right, top to bottom. Watch that cloth. Look at the color coming off this glass. That brown-gray film. That's weeks of road exhaust, mineral deposit, and wiper residue coming right off. One pass, no scrubbing, no elbow grease. Just the formula doing exactly what the chemistry says it should do. Continue wiping until you've covered the full windshield. Flip your cloth to a clean side as it gets loaded with residue. This first wipe should take about 2 to 3 minutes for a standard windshield. Step 4, let it sit. Once you've done your first wipe, spray a second light coat of the formula across the entire glass again. This time, don't wipe. Leave it. Let it sit for 3 full minutes. This is the bonding phase. The cornstarch molecules need those 3 minutes to settle into the glass pores. The alcohol needs time to fully dissolve the remaining oily layer. Set a timer, 3 minutes. While you wait, look at the glass already. Even with the formula still wet on it, you can see the difference in clarity. The rainbow film is gone from the areas we wiped. The haze is lifting. We haven't even done the final wipe yet. Step 5, the final buff. The moment it all comes together. Take your second clean, dry microfiber cloth. This one must be completely dry, no moisture at all. Now wipe the windshield in straight horizontal strokes, not circular, straight lines, left to right. Apply light, even pressure. Watch this. Watch the glass as the cloth passes over it. See that? See how the light changes? That haze, that film, that greasy layer your wipers have been smearing for months. It's gone. Just gone. Work across the entire windshield with straight passes. Top section, middle section, lower section. Flip the cloth frequently to avoid redepositing anything. Final pass. Go over the whole surface one more time lightly. You're done. Step 6, the water test. This is the moment. Grab a cup of water. Pour it directly onto the treated windshield. Look at that. Look at it. The water is not spreading. It's beading immediately. Tight, perfect round beads of water sitting on the surface. Now tilt the glass slightly. Watch those beads roll and race straight off without leaving a trail. This is what Harold Bibby saw in 1962. This is what they buried. Your windshield is now hydrophobic. Water has nowhere to grip. At highway speeds, rain will fly straight off this glass without you touching the wiper stalk once. In light drizzle, you won't need wipers at all. In heavy rain, intermittent wipers on the slowest setting will be more than enough because the glass is already shedding 80% of the water on its own. And the effect? On a properly prepped windshield in average weather conditions, you're looking at 2 to 4 months before you need to reapply. 2 to 4 months from a $1 formula. Let me show you the side-by-side one more time. Here's a photo of this exact windshield taken 20 minutes ago. Gray-white film across the entire surface. Wiper streaks across the middle. Greasy haze in the lower corners. Almost impossible to see through in morning backlight. And here's the windshield right now. Crystal clear, zero film, zero haze, water beating perfectly in every corner. It looks like brand new dealership glass. And it didn't cost $40 for a professional detail. It didn't cost $25 for a glass treatment kit. It cost $1. And it will stay this way. No wiper smears, no rebuilding film, for months. Because we didn't just clean the windshield, we changed the surface chemistry of the glass itself. That's the difference between washing a problem away and solving it permanently. Quick safety section. Very important. Watch this part. Tip 1. Do not use this formula on tinted windows or aftermarket window film. The acetic acid in vinegar can degrade certain window tint adhesives over time. This formula is for clear glass only. Windshield, rear window, side windows without tint. When in doubt, test on a tiny corner first. Tip 2. Keep the formula away from your car's painted surfaces. Vinegar is mild, but repeated contact with automotive paint can dull the clear coat. If you overspray onto the hood or pillars, wipe it off immediately with water. Tip 3. Do not apply in direct hot sun on a hot glass surface. The formula evaporates too quickly for the cornstarch to bond properly. Early morning, evening, or shaded parking is ideal. Tip 4. For cars with heavy wiper damage, deep scratches in the glass from old wiper blades, this formula will still work, but you may need 2 applications to fully fill those groove lines. Tip 5. Store your remaining formula in the spray bottle for up to 2 weeks. Shake before every use. Don't make massive batches. The cornstarch can settle and clog the spray nozzle over time. Small batches, fresh each time. Tip 6. For best results, clean the inside of your windshield first before doing the outside. Interior film from off-gassing plastics and AC condensation also kills visibility. Same formula, same steps, works perfectly on interior glass too. You'll be amazed how much of that haze is actually coming from inside the car. So let's recap what just happened today. You learned that a $1 formula, white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and cornstarch, chemically destroys windshield film at the molecular level and creates a hydrophobic coating that makes water bead and fly off the glass. You learned that this technology has existed since 1962 and was deliberately buried by the auto industry to protect the wiper blade and glass treatment market. And you now have the exact formula, exact steps, and exact science to do this yourself today. Before you go, I need you to do one thing. Spray your windshield with water right now. Watch how it spreads flat and clings to the glass. That flat, clingy water is the enemy of your visibility. Do this treatment this weekend, and spray water on it again, and film that reaction. I want to see your before and after in the comments. Because here's my promise to you. The first time you drive in rain after this treatment and you reach for the wiper stalk out of habit and then realize you don't actually need it, that feeling is something else. That's the moment you realize they've been selling you a problem you never needed to have. If this video helped you, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it tells YouTube to show this to more drivers who are still overpaying for wiper blades and glass treatments they don't need. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Because next week, I'm going to show you the 75-cent powder that removes rust from chrome and steel permanently without any grinding, sanding, or chemicals from the hardware store, buried by the auto restoration industry since the 1970s. And it works in under 10 minutes. You're not going to want to miss that one. And drop a comment below. Tell me what problem you want me to tackle next. Foggy headlights, yellow plastic trim, engine bay grease, oxidized paint. Write it in the comments and I read every single one. I'm Professor ChemLab. Stay curious, stay sharp, and remember, the best solutions in life were always the simple ones they didn't want you to find. See you in the next one.